Hi all of you. In the last class I gave you two questions and I think everyone did it. Let's see the answer. First one is square root 1 by 3. How can we do this? Yes, first we split it, square root 1 by square root 3. Then you know root 1 is 1. So we write it 1 by root 3. Now we multiply the numerator and denominator by root 3. By root 3. This is equal to 1 into root 3 is root 3 and root 3 into root 3 is root 3 square and that is 3. Now we give the approximate value of root 3, that is 1.73 by 3. This is equal to, if we divide 1.73 by 3, it is 0.57. So this is the final answer of square root 1 by 3. Second one is square root 4 by 3. So we write it root 4 by root 3. And you know the value of root 4 is 2. So it is equal to 2 by root 3. Then what we do? Yes, we multiply by the numerator and denominator by root 3. That is root 3 by root 3. So this is equal to 2 into root 3 by root 3 square, that is 3. Then give the value of root 3, that is 1.73 by 3. And if we multiply 2 into 1.73, that is 6. 3.46 divided by 3. And what is the answer? It is 1.15. 1.15 is the answer of square root 4 by 3. Next question. Calculate the length of the sides of the equilateral triangle on the below correct to a millimeter. ഇവിടെ ഒരു equilateral triangle തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇതിന്റെ altitude 4 cm ആണ്. ഈ equilateral triangleന്റെ ഒരു വശത്തിന്റെ നീളം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. First I give the name of this triangle as triangle ABC. So this triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. This angle is 90 degree. And you know the given triangle is an equilateral triangle. So this angle is 60 degree. Then what is the remaining angle here? Yes, it is 30 degree. So triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and its angles are 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Then the sides of this triangle are in the ratio 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Here it is given the side opposite to 60 degree is 4 centimeter. Here this angle is, this side is 4 centimeter. So if you know the side opposite to 30 degree, that is if you know the length of BC, how can we calculate the length of AC? It is the side opposite to 60 degree. We multiply this length by root 3 to get AC. Here AC is given. So how can we calculate BC? Yes, you are correct. We divide 4 by root 3. So BC is equal to 4 by root 3. Now we want to find one side of this equilateral triangle. So here we find the length of AB. This length is 4 by root 3. Then what is the length of AB? It is the double of BC. Why? Because it is opposite to 90 degree. So this length is double. What is AB? AB is equal to 2 into 4 by root 3. That is 8 by root 3. Now we want to give the value of root 3. Before that, what we want to do? We multiply the numerator and denominator by root 3 for make the calculation easy. So this is 8 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is root 3 square, that is it is 3. And this is equal to, we give the approximate value of root 3 here, that is this is 8 into 1.732 by 3. After multiplication, this is equal to 8 into 1.732, that is 6. 25, it is 5, and 56 into 56 plus 2, 58.8 plus 5, that is 13. 13.856 divided by 3. And divide 13.856 by 3. What we get? This 4. 18. That is 18 by 3 is 6. And 1, 8. So we get 4.618, and this is equal to 4.62 centimeter. And if we write it in millimeter, we get 46.2 millimeter. So this is the answer, 46.2 millimeter. Next question is, prove that root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Use this to compute 1 by root 2 minus 1 correct to 2 decimal places. First, we want to prove root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Did you know what is a plus b into a minus b? That is a plus b into a minus b is equal to, yes, it is a square minus b square. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Here in the place of a, it is root 2. In the place of b, it is 1. So we can use this property here. So what we write? Root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 is equal to, here instead of a, it is root 2. So what we write here? If it is a, we write a square. If it is root 2, what we write? Yes, root 2 square minus, here it is b, we write here b square. Here it is 1 instead of b. So what we write? 1 square. Then we simplify this. Root 2 square is 2 minus 1 square is 1. What is 2 minus 1? It is 1. So we get the answer, root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. That is, we prove it. Next we want to compute 1 by square root 2 minus 1 using this. So first we write root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. What we want to find? 1 by root 2 minus 1. Here, this is multiplication here. So if we take this into right side, what we get? It is 1 by root 2 minus 1. So 1 by this, if we go this into right side, what we get? 1 by root 2 minus 1. 1 by root 2 minus 1. And this is equal to what remains here? Yes, root 2 plus 1. So we got the answer. 1 by root 2 minus 1 is equal to root 2 plus 1. Here we give the approximate value of root 2. What is it? 1.41 plus 1. And this is equal to 1.41 plus 1 is equal to 2.41. Okay, this is the answer. Next question. Compute 1 by square root 2 plus 1 corrected to 2 decimal places. We know root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So what we want to find? 1 by root 2 plus 1. So here we take this root 2 plus 1 into right side. What we get? 1 by root 2 plus 1. So we write it 1 by root 2 plus 1. Then what remains here? Root 2 minus 1. So we get the answer. 1 by root 2 plus 1 is equal to root 2 minus 1. Here we give the approximate value of root 2. That is 1.41 minus 1. What is the answer? This is equal to 1.41 minus 1 is 0.41. So this is the answer. Next I am giving a problem for you, and that problem is simplify root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2. Use this to compute 1 by root 3 minus root 2 and 1 by root 3 plus root 2 corrected to 2 decimal places. Here, ആദ്യം നിങ്ങൾ root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 simplify ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കൊരു ആൻസർ കിട്ടും. അത് വെച്ചുകൊണ്ട് 1 by root 3 minus root 2 കാണാം, 1 by root 3 plus root 2 കാണാം.